Hello friends, today I will talk about the Facebook lead generation campaign. Lead generation campaign is very effective method of digital marketing. If you want to get the leads, if you want to get the likes, if you want to get the follower of your Facebook page, then it is very effective way. So let's talk about it, how to create it. Let's check out this video. Fine. For creating the Facebook advertisement, you have to go on Facebook Ads Manager. Ads Manager is a tool of Facebook where you can create the ads, you can create the multiple campaign. Right, for this you will have to write facebook.com/ads manager. Fine, then you will see the option of create, then click on create. Here you will see the campaign names which are you can see here awareness, brand awareness. If you want to get the brand awareness, if you want to get the reach, if you want to get the traffic engagement, app install, and many more things you can do. These are the campaigns which you can select based on your requirement. Today we will discuss about lead generation campaign. So we will click on lead generation. Right now you can give your lead generation campaign name, digital marketing. Here I am giving digital marketing schools. Right now you will have to select the page. Fine, and here you can give you can set the name of your campaign. Here I write down digital marketing school for just for my knowledge. Right, you can do anything. And now the option is catalog. It is optional. Now you will have to select the audience, which type of audience you want to get, like your demographic, which country you want to target, which city you want to target. Then you can select from here. For an example, if you want to select any particular city, I gave an example of Delhi, then you can select from here. Or if you want to select any city, any country, then you can select from here too. Here the age, here the gender. Okay, here the targeting audience, what type of targeting audience you want to get, like student, like what they do, like based on your birth, based on your financial status, based on their life events. Okay, many more things you can see from here. These are the interest in the sense, such are the category of the page of Facebook. Here in Facebook there are several pages which are related to advertising, banking, business, and many more things. So you can choose any category based on your leads which you want to get, based on your audience you want to select. Fine, these are many more options based on their behavior you can select. Fine. So if I write here something like if you my planning is to target the students, so I write here student. Fine, I select this. Means those people, those are students who have interest, the pages of students. I select that one. Fine. uh, let's see what more things I can select. uh, I want to target the students, those are looking for educational tutorial, those are looking for digital marketing tutorial. Right, I am searching here. uh, let's see, you can select your audience based on your requirement, based on your aim of lead generation campaign. Right, this is just for the example. Now it shows automatic placement and manual placement where your ad will be showing on. Now you can see These are the Facebook and Instagram platforms. Fine. If you want to deselect anyone, then you can deselect from here. Then your ad wouldn't be showing on a particular platform, right? But I select automatic placement. You can select based on your requirement whatever you want to select. Fine. Now you must have select budget. Let's see, I select 100 rupees. Now you can select the schedule. If you want to schedule your ad based on any date, then you can do it. It's giving an error. Let's see what is about it. Yeah, it is asking for the terms. When I select any page, then it asks for the there any terms and condition, then you will have to select on that. Fine. Now save this audience. You can put any name, right? Now save. Fine. Click on continue. Let's see what option comes out. Yeah, here it is. There are options. If you want to create ad uh, for multiple images, then you will have to select this option. And if you want to select any single images and video, then you can select this option. I would recommend to select the single images ad because it is very effective for getting the conversion. Rest depends upon you. You can create the ad and see the result. If you get the good result, then you can select anyone, right? Put the primary text. It will reflect right side of the you can see right side here. I wrote learn digital marketing. This is just for the demo, right? And you can create ad based on your requirement. I do not have any content, so just I am creating by myself. Fine. So headline, digital marketing, course, fine. Free classes. I offer the free classes, that's why I am creating this one, right? I do not charge anything. I do not charge to share my knowledge. Fine. So that's a aim of creating this advertisement, right? Everything will be displaying on the right side. You can see how your ad will look like, right? And here display link would be your target landing page where you uh, want to convert your users, right? Now call to action depends upon your aim. You can select the sign up, you can select the subscribe, apply now, based on your requirement. I want the subscribe means I want the audience. Okay, I want the audience those can subscribe my channel, right? That's why I selected the subscribe. You can select anyone. Now the option to create the form. Fine. Form means the information you will collect from the your traffic, right? What you want to collect, right? Like first name, like their phone number, like their email. So from here you can get the details, right? Let's write the headlines, short descriptions, whatever you think you can create. You can put that, right? I think this must be like our team will call you shortly once we receive their informations, right? You can ask the custom questions related to their qualification, relating to their business, anything you want to collect. Right now I want to collect the information about the qualification, means those students are watching my uh, this advertisements, what is their qualifications, right? Are they graduate, are they master graduate, or they have done 10 plus 2, anything it can be, just for the example, right here. Third one, plus 2, uh, you can create based on your requirement, fine. And now what you want to collect, phone number, street address, city, anything you can collect from here though, so you can check it out, fine. I want the phone number so that I can call them. Link, privacy link, it would ask for the privacy link of your website. Right now I do not have any website, I am just showing you as a demo, fine. I am just writing the uh, website name, it's not a real website. So right, if you want to give any link text then you can give. Right now I don't want to give, it's a completion page. Once your audience will submit the form, then what they will see, they will see the thanks, you are all set, right? And call to action button, call to action text, link, like this. Your form will appear to your audience, they will have to select the options of qualification and all. It's giving the error of description, right? A short description we can give. I'm showing you as a demo, you can create based on your requirement. Talk to our expert, publish. Right, publish. You can track your audience by adding Facebook pixel, fine. I will show you in next video, otherwise this will be a boring video, right? This ad will appear like this, you can see, uh, fine. So confirm here. Now it will ask to add your business detail, you will have to add the business details, right? After that your ad will be showing on. Right now I can give the business details, but after this it will ask for the payment informations, what mode you want to select, fine. So I don't want to share my personal payment details here. So after completing this step, your ad will be showing on. It will take a time to review. Okay, after that your ad will be live. Fine. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any question, then you can ask. Thank you.